Hi friends, today's topic is how to manage our time effectively. Let's start. Hi friends, hope you all are doing great. Tasin here. Today's topic is regarding time management. How we are going to use our time effectively. Let it be a student, let it be a professor, let it be a doctor, let it be any profession. Each and every person should know how to use time effectively. So, let me tell you something. I will tell you about myself today regarding my mother and me. My mother, if you ask her to cook a biryani, she will take around 2 to 3 hours. Definitely, she'll take 3 hours of time actually. But when the point comes to me, actually, I go and finish it off in 1 hour actually. It is all about how you are doing and how simultaneously you're working out, and at the end of the day, what will be measured. It is about the taste, it is about the quality, it is not about how you did, how you prepared actually. So the quality will be measured end of the day. So the same way, my mother took 3 hours, the same dish actually I took 1 hour, but the end of the day, what is measured? All measured is about the output, the productive output. Am I right? The same student, same two different students, same teacher, same classroom, same college or a school actually. They have both have 24 hours actually, but in the examination they get different marks. Few students, they spend very less time actually while studying in the study time, but few students, they spend much time and spend more time actually, but still they get very less marks. It is all about time management. Let it be in any area, let it be in any profession. Time management has become very important thing. We have to work, we have to accomplish many work in less time. That will be a very efficient and effective output should also be produced, and we can have a very stress free, and actually we can lead our life in a successful way when we manage our time in daily day-to-day activity. So let me list out few things how we are going to manage our time. First and foremost thing is actually there should be a purpose in life. Without a purpose, definitely I am sure that actually if you have not defined your life, if there is no purpose, then definitely you will not know how to prioritize or how to do the next step in how to manage the time. You will just randomly you will be doing it. So there should be a purpose in life. For example, for a student to crack this TNPC exam, or to crack his state board exam, or actually for a businessman to actually to sell his product and to do the marketing in the international market. So this is all your purpose in life actually. So there should be a purpose. Then the next step is actually you have to every day before a night actually, before one day a night actually, you have to make a to-do list. Next day, what all the things you are going to do. For example, I have to pay electricity bill, I have to take my son actually to the consultation with the doctor, and I have to go to office from this time to this time. I have to take my son to tuition, I have to do this, I have to do that, I have to finish my project. So these all the things actually you have to make a to-do list. So it is to-do list actually, each individual has their own different points, so you have to make a to-do list. Second thing. And third thing is you have to start prioritize it actually. So how you are going to prioritize actually? The one which is very important, which is urgent, that will be written on the topmost. So that will be given the most prime important. So the next, you have to write the list which is important but not urgent. The next step will be which is not important but it is very urgent. The fourth section will be which is not important, not urgent. So according to this, you can make one matrices, and you can just 2 by 2 matrices you can make, and actually list out your each and every section. You can just list out your points. So based on your important and urgent, you can start follow it up, and even you can have a schedule, a time schedule. in between this time actually I'm going to do this. And you each and every schedule should have a bonus time. If you are not able to accomplish that task actually, then you can utilize a bonus time. So making a 2 by 2 matrix, important and urgent matrix, definitely this will help you a lot actually to prioritize your work. Or else different people have a different way of thinking actually. You can list out your own priority according to your work situation, or according to your profession. You can have your priority. So this is the third thing. First is you should have a purpose in life, that then only you will have a need of doing a time management. So second is actually you have to make a to-do list, and next you have to prioritize your to-do list actually, at what time, at how much time will be needed actually, and how you are going to accomplish it. So this you have to prioritize. And fourth thing is actually you should come out of your distractions. What are the distractions actually? As you all know actually, from from a 1-year-old child to actually 70 years old aged man also actually nowadays busy with social medias, TV, cell phones, many things, etc, etc. So these all distractions. There should a question pop up in your mind, whether what I am doing right now is important. Is it going to earn me? Is it going to help me to fulfill or accomplish my purpose of life? You have to start thinking actually whether it is worth watching. Sometimes social media help us and also destroy us actually. So you have to analyze by yourself. If you feel it is not worth, it's not going to help you out, then just switch it off and keep it aside. Keep a separate timing for social media, just like in a break time, in a half an hour or 1 hour, as it uses for you actually, you can use it. But unnecessary distractions, unnecessary chatting with friends, unnecessary watching in the YouTube, unnecessary which is not useful, which is not going to earn you anything, don't watch it. Don't use it, such social medias. Don't destroy your life and all that actually. And sometimes love life for actually the students and college students, and even a few people, they may maintain illegal relationships, which gives a very big distraction. Nothing else. It will destroy you. It's not going to benefit you in any way. So we should come out of all this distraction. How we are going to come out of it? We have to question our inner critics. We have to question our own mind. Is it helpful for me? By questioning this, putting a right question to our mind, definitely will get an answer. Then definitely immediately put that answer into action. I am sure that you can come out of the distraction. And fifth point is actually we often do is during journey time, we don't utilize our time in a proper way. When you travel, we can, each and every person have their travel time actually. Let it be a office going, or actually let it be a student, let it be everybody have their journey time. The journey time, we can actually utilize our work by recalling actually what we studied, or by paying our electricity bill through online, or else actually any important call. For example, those people actually who are working in other place, they want to make a call to their family members, but during work hours they can't. But in the journey, you can make a call to your parents and family members. You can speak it out. So like this important things you have to do. So many things. So those things actually which you feel comfortable doing in journey time, you can utilize your journey very effectively. And few people, they procrastinate their work. What is meant by procrastination? It is all about postponing our things actually. When you postpone your things actually, definitely a quality productive output will not be produced. Why? Because let it be any work, when you are doing at the neck of the moment, definitely there will be a chaos. It won't be productive. So this procrastination will never help you actually doing a thing in perfect way how you planned. So let's not procrastinate our work. This all happened because of the distraction. This all happened because of actually that we are not, like, what to say, that moment we don't feel like doing it. Actually we just do unnecessary things, and actually we procrastinate our work. So procrastination should not be done. And use your prime time effectively. What is called prime time? Few people, they feel very energized, very energetic actually in the morning session. Few people, they feel very in the evening session, they feel very energetic. So those important tasks, those important prioritized work, you can do during your prime time. Why I'm telling you is the most important thing, if you do, or a tough, few people, they want to do tough work, first priority will be given. If you do that first, or actually if you give it during your prime time, a more concentration will be given to that work, and you can accomplish in a very short time, and also you will feel very fresh, and to do the less tough work or a less work actually after doing this, you will have a stress-free mind actually later on. So you should use your prime time very effectively. Eighth point is all about how you're going to get inspired and motivated every time. Why I'm telling you is, as you all know, like a battery, actually when we hear a motivational speech, or actually when we hear something good, we will be energized and we want to do it, but after a short span of time, again actually our energy level will go down. But to make us remind every time that actually we want to do something, we have a purpose in life, we have to get inspired actually by some great leaders or something. You can listen to their audios, or actually you can keep yourself inspired and motivated, keep reminding yourself there is a purpose. So this will help you out. And relaxation and breaks is needed in your life, is very important. In your time management schedule, there should be a break time where you can sit, relax and feel free. So why I'm telling you is, how I used to use my break time is, when I used to study physics, when I'm tired of it actually, because I study loud and actually I get exhausted because of studying loud. When you study that way, then the mind, during my break time, very silently, I just write down all the mathematics formula, or else by through my eyes actually I sit and watch, or else I try to change my subjects. So these all things actually I try to do. Or else, if you're actually a businessman, if you're tired of attending a meeting, actually now it's a lockdown, sitting at home, if you're tired doing it actually, why can't you go to kitchen, and why can't you help your mother what she's doing? Just small things actually, that your mother's work also will be get over, and you will also feel like actually your break is over. And why can't you go and do some gardening actually in your garden area? That makes you feel relaxed, that makes you feel good, you will feel fresh. At the same time, garden will also be clean and you will also feel fresh. So break time is very important in the time management at the same time. And very important 10th point, try to analyze it properly. What I'm telling you is, see, there are people, something called busy people, and few people, they are called productive people. Busy you want to be, or you want to be productive? Busy people, they will take 10 hours to do a work, but productive people, they will be action oriented, they will be result oriented, they will think in a productive way, how in a less span, how can we do a more work. So our area of actually focus should be on how to do a productive result, because nobody is going to ask you end of the day actually how you studied, what you studied, how much time you spent. Nothing. Smart work, and actually if you put into action by putting out, then you will get a productive result actually. End of the day, let it be any business or any profession, output is actually matters, not about how you did in the background work. That will not help you out. Only the result will speak, your action will speak. So by following all the steps, definitely you can do a very good time management. Let me summarize you everything actually regarding time management, how we are going to use it very effectively. So first and foremost thing, actually we should have a purpose in life. Without a purpose, definitely we cannot make any time management. So you should define your purpose and analyze it. And second most thing, you're going to make a to-do list actually for whatever you're going to do for the day. So once the to-do list is made, then you're going to prioritize your work according to the important and urgency you have. And the fourth most thing, actually you have to analyze analyze your distraction, whether let it be a social media or let it be a love life, anything. You have to analyze your distraction. After knowing your distraction, you can come out of it. Let it be how much ever it is actually trying to be like addictive for you. It is in your hands to come out of the distraction. Question your mind whether it is important for me or not. Once it is not important, just quit it actually. And fifth important point is actually how you are going to use your journey time. When you are in travel, use your actually journey time in a productive way by paying your electricity bill, or actually you're talking to your parents. So all this will help you to actually save your time. And sixth important thing is actually try to not to procrastinate your work. Procrastination will not help you and it will not give you a productive result. And seventh point is actually take breaks. Keep yourself inspired and motivated. Use your prime time effectively. Don't be a busy person, be a productive person. So hope you all would have got my point actually. Have a good time management. Try to follow all these points, write it down, and then flourish in your life. Hope this all would have helped you out. Thank you so much for listening. Hope you all enjoyed the video. If you like my video, kindly share with your friends. Share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.